Welcome back to the Black Hills and Eastern Railroad, everybody. Today we're going to discuss merch. You guys might remember that I had some t-shirts printed last fall with the Black Hills and Eastern logo on them. I had black shirts printed with a logo, and I had a hooded sweatshirt printed for myself. Printing in small batch is pretty expensive, and I wasn't terribly happy with how it came out. I had used a chain vendor that operates out of Sioux Falls, South Dakota. And the green didn't come out quite like I wanted. I wanted it to come out more like BN green, and it came out more like an OD type green that you might see on some Army equipment. I was happy with the quality of the shirts themselves, but the printing maybe left a little something to be desired. As did the printing that I had done on stickers, which I never actually received. That matter has been sent to my credit card as a dispute, and it's surprising because that vendor was a vendor that was recommended to me by a BN modeler from out east in Wisconsin. So I thought I'd try something a little bit different, and Vistaprint is always on my case for discounted printing of lots of different things. They'll print you hats, they'll print you stickers, bumper stickers, they will print you shirts, they will print just about anything it's possible to print on, double wall, coffee tumblers, things like that. I ordered here, I've got stickers, 3-inch round stickers, and a shirt that I'm going to open here in front of you, so you get my live reaction to what it is that they've done for me. So we get the open up the stickers here first, and we see that they've had them in looks like a white poly bag, and looks like I'm going to need something to cut this bag open with. Yeah, that's pretty neat. So what we get is this 3-inch round sticker, and I plan to be at the Sioux Falls, the spring train show, DSCD's train show, and giving these out to unsuspecting victims. And then the T-shirt comes in this. This is basically just a paper envelope that they send. And the T-shirt itself, looking for the rest of my order. Oh, yeah. I'm not. It's all here. And this is a Gildan. This is an extra large. This is a 50-50 blend T-shirt here. I'm just going to go ahead and tear the bag open and give you guys an idea. And they do it in Vistaprint's website is super easy to use. If you've ever ordered pizza, you can order t-shirts or any kind of printing on Vistaprint's website. So that's what you get out of the box. And that to me looks, that green is still not quite exactly right, but it's better than on that hoodie. It's more opaque for sure, and yeah. Nice deal. I'm sure this t-shirt feels like it's a good heavy quality t-shirt. And to give you an idea, this was like $24–25 with a discount. And I'm sure that if you ordered greater quantities, that number would go way down. I will be using them again in a pinch. I'm actually working with a local person here that's learning printing on t-shirts and other things. So we'll probably be going that direction for the next order. But I just wanted to show you my reaction actually to Vistaprint's work here, and if you get a pop-up from those guys, take them seriously, because they really do good work. And like I said, if you can order pizza, it's a lot like Domino's website. You slap your if you've got a logo or if you've got lettering or whatever you need to print it, you just provide that to them, and then basically your work is to size that logo onto the item that you're printing on, and they do the rest essentially once you check out. So very neat. Thanks, guys. So here's where it's time to pull the pin for this episode. Hope you liked the content here. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.